Okay, we gather here. So basically our student, DD Diamonds, Rachit Sharma, you can see on the screen here. Rachit Sharma is selected for the NDA 153 course and he got rank of 134, All India rank. You can see. First of all, congratulations to him for the success. All the best. Thing is that he was a student of NDA, Unlimited course in year 2023 and 24. He is also selected for NDA 152 course. He got a rank of 693 in the last course. Okay? But he was married out. Again, he tried for the NDA 2 September exam in year 2024. Okay? And he has got recommended from 22 SSB board Bhopal. Okay? And finally got this rank, 134. As you see, the number of students selected for NDA 153 course. Till now, our 8 students from Doon Defence Academy selected for NDA 153 course. They will be reporting to National Defence Academy in month of December and January for their course. This is a big achievement by the students here. Have you seen the last student, Rachit Sharma, was here. He has shared the experience with the students. Now today, Rachit Sharma with us, because you all are preparing for the SSB. This is a golden opportunity for you people. Selected students are coming in front of you and sharing the experience, because you are all going for the SSB to become a defense officers. Okay, gentlemen?
Yes, sir.
Now Rachit Sharma will share the experience about how he had prepared in Doon Defence Academy for the NDA examinations, academic classes, followed by the experience of SSB 22, SSB board Bhopal. Okay? You will share the experience. Okay, gentlemen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rachit, please.
Jai Hind everyone. I was a student of DDA in NDA for the preparation of NDA 2 2023. At that time when I started for NDA, I was not aware of the syllabus of NDA. After reaching NDA, I met several teachers, very good faculties. They taught me how to prepare and how to tackle the exams. And with the help of the teachers and the support of staff of DDA, I cleared my NDA 2 153, NDA 2 2023. And after this, I started preparing for my SSB. And initially, I started for SSB and DDA. When I reached the SSB classes of NDA, Ravi Sir helped me a lot and told me the procedure of SSB. And even if he tell me how can we perform well in SSB and how to handle the pressure and several obstacles faced by us. He helped me a lot, and as well as Colonel Sudhir Verma sir also helped me in my improvement of my interview as well as GTO. And at that time, I secured AIR 693. Unfortunately, I got merit out. And again, I get guidance from the DDA for my written to improve my score of written. Along with this, I taught Ravi sir on phone call to improve my score in SSBs. And at this time, I got 463 marks in my SSB and secured AIR 34. Thank you.
Okay. Rachit, basically, can you share some experience? Basically, I have completed here in Doon Defence Academy SSB preparations. You got a full support by the Patel sir, Colonel Verma sir, all over the psychology, GTO, individual task, group task, stage 1, stage 2, everything completed.
Yes, sir.
What was your experience here in Doon Defence Academy? Because you know that 8 students going for the this particular 153 course from Doon Defence Academy, they have been getting the cash award of 10,000 from Sandeep Sir. So can you tell me about something about basically what you benefited here for this training?
My experience here was so good, and sir, like Ravi sir, helped me a lot. Even if when our class was over, he helped me whenever I have doubts. I can ask to him whenever possible, even in corridor or even in outside or ground. And everything is possible, or I cleared the NDA because with the help of DDA.
Okay, good. तो SSB board, 22 SSB board भोपाल में आपने जो है वो किया, started. तो can you explain something about the routine of SSB when you are reaching there? ठीक है, आपके साथ क्या-क्या experience हुआ? ठीक है, how to clear, how to present yourself for the interview, psychology assessments, everything. So just in short, you can you brief?
Every one of you is aware about the process of SSB. First day I reported and got screened in. We got 33 out of 67 got screened in. After this, we got selected for the second step, and then I perform well, and also talk to my friends to cooperate with them in the GTO task. Talking with my friends is also mandatory for the better performance in GTO. Along with this, I also talk to the sir for the at that time performance to eradicate the pressure of SSB while we are in the campus of SSB. After this, I got recommended from 22 SSB OPAR.
Okay, gentlemen, basically he shared the experience. Thing is that SSB only for selection, not for rejection. They want to see the potential of the candidates. Okay? तो उनके अनुसार में जैसे बताया रचित ने कि you have to be natural. You should have some friend circle there. आपको एक अच्छे friend circle में रहना है. You should have a well turnout, positive attitude towards your career, presence of minds, everything. Because we have been covering each and everything here. Stage 1 आपको cover किया जा रहा है पूरा PPT से लेके everything. You are getting the complete training of group discussion, lecture 8 by the Patel sir. यानी आपके ऊपर पूरा effort डाला जा रहा है. ये 2 weeks are very important for you. तो dedication, hard work इन बच्चों ने दिखाया है. I'm telling you. Those are going for this particular 153 course. तो अभी मैं आपको उनको दिखाऊंगा, उनके बच्चों के नाम दिखाऊंगा यहाँ पर. ठीक है? तो उन बच्चों ने जो है यहाँ पर हार्ड वर्क किया है, तो उसका ही रीजन है कि उन्होंने एक सफलता प्राप्त की है. ठीक है बेटा? तो अभी soon after this basically we have Colonel Verma sir will be giving him 10,000 cash award on behalf of Sandeep Sir. Okay? और उससे पहले मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा जो स्टूडेंट्स हमारे just recently NDA 153 कोर्स में जा रहे हैं. This is a hard work and effort by our assessors. कर्नल वर्मा सर, पटेल सर, हमारे साइकोलॉजिस्ट हैं, ग्रुप कैप्टन AK सिंह सर, ऑनलाइन सेशन जो लेते हैं ग्रुप कैप्टन कार्तिक सर. This was effort by them. You can see here. देखिए बेटा. These are the students going for the NDA 153 course. Can you see the rank? ठीक है? ये इनका रिपोर्टिंग बताया मैंने थे दिसंबर और जनवरी में इनका रिपोर्टिंग है. This is the proud feeling for Doon Defence Academy. Okay? You can see here this स्पोर्ट्स को टीआर 19 रैंक इनको जो है दीपावली का जो सेलिब्रेशन हुआ था उसके 10,000 कैश अवार्ड मिल चुका है. नेक्स्ट वन दिस अरब मांटी गॉट ऑल इंडिया रैंक 28. दिस महिमा पवार गर्ल्स में 34 रैंक इनकी. और अभी बता रहा हूं आपको 37 गर्ल्स विल बी गोइंग फॉर द एनडीए खड़गवासला फॉर द एनडीए 153 कोर्स. तो इनका कंफर्म है. ठीक है बेटा? अगेंस्ट दिस प्रिया मिश्रा गॉट 75 रैंक्स इन ऑल इंडिया रैंक फॉर द गर्ल्स. 128 Ashutosh Sharma. I think Ashutosh Sharma has shared the experience here. हाँ, वो कैश अवार्ड मिल चुका है. आपका रचित आपके सामने है. This is 134 rank. Here you can see Karan Gaur, all India rank 141. This is confirmed. Reporting in December. And this Ranbir Bist 300 rank. He got 10,000 cash award जो during Deepavali जो celebration हुआ था उसमें मिला है संदीप सर के द्वारा. ठीक है बेटा? तो सबसे पहले इनके लिए तालियां बजाएं सब. Now I request Colonel sir to give him the cash award on behalf of Sandeep sir. As a tradition of Doon Defence Academy, every student is getting a 10,000 cash award for after final selection.
Congratulations. Thank you.
Okay, DDA students of this batch, on behalf of Director DDA, the Deputy Director ma'am, and all the students who are sitting in front of me, entire student and faculty of the entire DDA, we convey our best wishes and congratulations to Rachit Sharma for having made it to the National Defence Academy. A very proud moment, a very prestigious place to go, but this is just the base camp of the start. Journey will now start the moment he reports. And as I always say, maintain your consistency. In the previous attempt, he could not make it because of certain lack of marks in the final merit, but his consistency, his morale remained the same, and he continued working towards his journey. That's what the life is all about. Life does not stop even for a minute. Time is ticking, and it is more precious than money. Utilize it well, make your careers, make your life. Our aim at DDA is not only to prepare you for NDA, CDS and various defense service examination, it also to prepare you mentally, physically and emotionally, a kind of a human being who will never look back in his life ever. God bless you all. and also to Rachit Sharma. Congratulations once again.
Kindly subscribe D-Day YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.